To get a Multiplaye OneBlock server, you first need to download the map. So go to this link, I have provided the link in the description, then scroll down and press on download. And then choose your version. For this video I'm choosing 1.21.11 and then press go to download. Press I accept and then download again. Now select where you want to download the file and press save. After your map is downloaded, go to your server panel, then click on your server, go to files. Over here, delete your world file. Now press on upload and then choose the downloaded file. After it's uploaded, press on the three dots and press unarchive. And after it's unarchived, press on the three dots again and press rename. Now rename it to world. Press on rename. Now to test it out, let's start our server and join the server. So my server has started. Now let me just press on add server, then paste the IP address, done, and join your server. As you can see, our OneBlock map is now added. Now you can easily play OneBlock with your friends.